The Red Cross movement has been working in Greece since 2015, supporting the migrants and the refugee population. Over the last 3 years, we moved from initially supporting in different services, in different camps and reception facilities, both in the mainland and in the Asian islands, to what we are doing today, which is supporting these populations in urban settings.
One of the main projects of the Red Cross movement in Greece in 2018 has been the increasing resilience of migrant and refugee population in Greece, funded by ECHO, the European Commission, Humanitarian and Civil Protection, and it's focused on supporting refugees and migrants through health provision and psychosocial support activities. The activities of the project are coordinated mainly with the Hellenic Red Cross and implemented by the Spanish and the Danish Red Cross and the IFRC, and consist mainly on a multifunctional center for psychosocial activities, a contingency planning in case new arrivals come, and a health program and accompanied referrals programs through mobile units and an educational health station.
Hellenic Red Cross Educational Health Center was founded in 1960s, and the purpose was to help to be auxiliary in the public health system and help with preventing diseases and vaccinate people. And now, of course, with the ECHO project, with this great chance, we managed to develop and increase the services, and it is a very good capacity building for the future of Hellenic Red Cross.
We offer primary health care services for children, especially the vulnerable population, like refugees, immigrants, and especially the people that they don't have access to the public health care system. We offer vaccination, health promotion activities to children and women, like cervical cancer, breast cancer, and sexual health. Also, we offer reference to the people in the public health care system and make appointments for them, and also making appointments with the ACREF team so as to have interpreter to accompany them in the services.
This is the ACREF, the Accompaniment Referral Program of the Red Cross, working in the Athens urban area. The aim of the program is to give access to migrants living in the urban area of Athens in the public services, mostly hospitals. All the migrants that they are supporting, they don't speak Greek, so they need support to guide them and to establish communication with the public servants in the public services. This support and guidance help them to be more resilient in the future and learn how to use on their own the public system in Greece.
The Outreach Project is an initiative from Hellenic and Spanish Red Cross to provide basic healthcare and educational health activities to the immigrant population that is living now in the urban areas. Every day, one medical team and one educational team are providing this kind of services at this vulnerable population in different places. The Outreach Project every day visits different places because we are working with more or less 25 organizations. Every day we visit schools, primary schools, secondary schools, to doing health educational activities, and different women centers, Caritas centers, and the multifunctional center.
Hellenic Red Cross has been running the MFC for 20 years. We are working with a holistic approach in order to meet the complex needs of refugees coming in the center. We have strengthened this approach through our cooperation with the Danish Red Cross in order to ensure that people feel safe, connected and informed.
First of all, we have a social space, as you can see behind me, where people can come regardless of their status to relax and have access to internet and computers, and at the same time they can get help from our staff. We have social workers, we have legal advisors, we have language classes, in Greek and English. We have structured activities for adults and for children, and we have a telephone interpretation hotline.
One of the things that we always have in mind when we came to Greece is to leave a stronger capacity behind us. And being Hellenic Red Cross, one of the key humanitarian partners in Greece, we have worked the last year in the ECO supported project in two activities. One was developing, we supported the Hellenic Red Cross to develop a contingency plan to respond to emerging needs in case the authorities need support, as it was the case in 2015. The second element was the relief stocks. We have stocks procured in 2015 and 16 to cover the humanitarian needs that were donated at the beginning of this year to the Hellenic Red Cross to be able to respond to potential needs in 2018. This has proven very useful, as in fact the Hellenic Red Cross had to do many donations to cover needs of new arrivals both in northern Greece and also in the Aegean Islands.